Hello, I'm Jan Kleis, marketing coach, and made a review where I showcase the creative process of building a landing page for online marketing purposes. The page builder I show here is Instapage, a really powerful landing page platform for marketing teams and agencies. Special attention is given to the creative process of building landing pages and mobile web display. You will discover how you can set up connection with today's most used CRMs, email marketing, advertising, and optimization solutions. See for yourself how your marketing teams or your agency can increase the speed of the design review process by allowing account team members and clients to communicate and offer feedback through the collaborative features of the platform. Click the link down this post and discover how Instapage Landing Page Builder boosts your business and your customers' online marketing and email collection. This video review with complete textual findings is for anyone looking to improve his visibility online.